This is how to withdraw your earnings and cash out on Ponds app using your free AirTM US virtual bank account. This payment method will help you to cash out your earnings on Ponds app at a very cheap rate. And not only that, AirTM is going to give you a reward bonus of $10 as soon as you use your virtual bank account 3 times for over $300 transactions. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video to get your free US virtual bank account right now. But first, do me one big favor. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, click that notification bell. You always get my videos as soon as I publish them, and that will help you to discover more platforms where you can use your free US virtual bank account to get paid with ease. This is my Ponds app. You can see Ask JOFA. A lot of people are taking this Ponds app for granted. You can make a lot of money if you are ready to do the work. You can see I've gotten paid over $75 on this platform. For you to cash out, you come to earnings. You can see this is the amount I'm going to withdraw right now. To withdraw this amount, you tap request payout. Request payout. You have to select your country. If I select Nigeria, you tap Nigeria. You can see Nigeria is here. You select Nigeria. You can see I can withdraw with Bitcoin and Visa gift cards. If I select Bitcoin, you can see the total amount I have to cash out. This is the amount I will withdraw, but they will charge $4. The amount I will get later is this amount, which does not make sense. So the method I'm going to show you will help you save this cost. So we go back. If you use Visa gift cards, you tap it. This method will help you get your money withdraw to a virtual Visa card, but you cannot convert this virtual card to cash in your country. Trust me, I've tried it severally. If you know any platform that can help me convert these virtual gift cards to cash, please drop the comment below the description of this video. I will love to hear from you. If you decide to choose this option, you can use this card to make a purchase on Amazon, on Jumia or Konga in Nigeria, to make a purchase of anything you want, but you cannot convert it to cash as at the time of this video. The option I'm going to use in this video will help you get almost all your money direct to your bank account in your country. So you tap go back. So the method we're going to choose is this. You will not choose your country. Select this place. We search for United States. We select United States. With United States, we have all these options. So many options to withdraw. But the option we are going to use is this one, electronic transfer. So we tap this electronic transfer. You can see with this electronic transfer, look at the amount they are going to charge. Very minute. And I will get this money to my account. So you tap withdraw. Sure, you want to withdraw. This is the breakdown of the transaction, and I will get this money in up to 72 hours. They will send a confirmation email to your email address, so you tap confirm. The verification code will be sent to your email, so I'll go to my email to pick my authentication. So I've inputted the code. You can see payout request successful. You tap got it. You can see my balance has been zeroized. Withdraw in progress. The next thing you need to do is to check your email, and you can see I've received a message from Ponds app. Redeem your $6.95 earnings. So I will tap that. You can see I Ask JOFA. Ponds app would like to thank you. Here is $6.95 you have recently earned. Congratulations. So to conclude this transaction, you have to tap redeem 6.595. This is where you are expected to set up your free AirTM US virtual bank account. But you know that the option that we decided to choose was through account payment, and it automatically defaulted to Nigeria. As soon as I tap redeem 6.95, look at this, there are no options valid in Nigeria. See available option, Puerto Rico and United States. So here you will select this option, this place, then you scroll up, you choose United States. United States. You can see transfer option 1. You select bank transfer. As at this stage, you can see this bank transfer will send to your ACH account, that is your virtual account in US, only available in the United States. So you scroll down, you can see that my profile already defaulted to a checking account ending in 6811. That was because I've withdrawn and cash out with this method before, that I did a full video setup process. You can watch the video here, but in your own case, this is what you are going to see. Add new bank account. This is the stage where you go to AirTM platform to generate your free AirTM US virtual bank account. This is AirTM app. On AirTM app, you can see virtual bank account. All you need to do is to tap virtual bank account. These are the details of the transaction. You make sure that you've earned over $5 before you can use this account method on Pons app, because minimum accepted is over $5 and it will take like 2 to 4 days to get your money from Pons app. For me, I have my bank account detail already. It's a checking account. This is my name. This is my US bank account. This is my US bank, and this is my routine number. So as soon as you generate your US virtual bank account, you copy the following details: your bank name, account number, routine number. Then you come back to Pons app. In your own case, you will select this. By the time you select this, you can see you will input your account name, your routine number, you repeat your routine number, and your account number. It's going to be a checking account. Then you select verify you are human. You just tap continue. But in my case, since I already have all this account stored here, you can see 6811. I will select this option. I will choose verify I'm human. You can see this is the charges, that is 0.25 has been removed from the money. I will tap this transfer. You can see we are processing your request. Transfer can take up to 2 to 4 days. You claim your bank transfer. So this is the amount I'm going to get in my virtual bank account that will be credited to my AirTM, and it's going to take between 2 to 4 business days for me to get this money in my bank account. You can see that I've received my money. It came within the set days. Normally it will take between 2 to 4 days. You receive an email and you see the money in your AirTM. The next thing is to transfer this money to your bank account in your country. You can see I've spent out of the money, so this is the balance that remains. To send this money to your bank account in your country, you tap withdraw. You select search payment method. You can always collect the money to your bank account. You can collect cash. You can use your money to buy crypto. You can use your money to buy gift cards. But we're trying to send the money to your bank account in your country. So you tap here, bank. So to search for your country, you tap here. I'm in Nigeria, just search. You can transfer the money to your local bank account. You can transfer the money to your domiciliary bank account in your country. That is dollar bank account. But I always use this. So I will tap to local bank account in Nigeria. That is, I'll be able to collect my money in my local currency. So the minimum amount you can cash out is almost $3, but I have over $6. So you will key in the amount you have. As at the time of this video, this is what I will get in Nigerian Naira. This rate fluctuates with time. You just tap continue. You follow the step-by-step process. A peer on this platform will credit your account, and AirTM will release this money to that person. For you to know step by step of how to do that, watch this video. Step by step is going to walk you through. So this is how you withdraw your money with almost no charges. Don't forget to claim your free AirTM US virtual bank account. AirTM will give you a reward gift of $10 as soon as you do 3 transactions up to $300 in volume. You can now use your US virtual bank account to get paid on Pons app. Don't forget to use my link, which is below the description of this video, to claim reward bonuses. Also, subscribe to this channel, like this video, Drop your comment and I promise to get back to you. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.